Hello everyone, welcome to the next video and my name is Amit. Today I'm going to tell you some advanced vocabulary words on the channel and in this video. So today's first word is snoop. Snoop. The meaning of snoop is ताक झाक करना या फिर जासूसी करना. So like example is I think someone is snooping on me. मुझे लगता है कोई मेरी ताक झाक कर रहा है. Like, second example, I caught him snooping on your around your room. Like, मुझे कमरे के आसपास मैंने उसे तुम्हारी जासूसी करते हुए पकड़ा. Like, as you can say that the meaning of snoop is गड़बड़ करना. Means second word is rumble. The meaning of some rumble is गड़बड़ाना. Like, I haven't eaten all the day, my stomach is रम्बलिंग. मैंने पूरे दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया है तो मेरे पेट में गड़गड़ की आवाज़ आ रही है. Like that, as you can say. And second example is I hear low cloud rumbling last day. मैंने कल रात हल्की हल्की बादलों की गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज़ सुनी. Like, next word is eventually means आखिरकार या फिर अंत में. If I'll say example, eventually the sky cleared up and we could go back to home. आखिरकार आसमान साफ हो गया और हम घर वापस जा सके. So this is the example of eventually. Like, eventually she gave her stubborn in. आखिरकार उसने अपनी जिद छोड़ दी. Like, eventually she gave like that. Next word is embrace. The meaning of embrace is किसी को खुशी से अपनाना या फिर गले लगाना. This is the meaning of embrace. And I hope you like it. I like this video, and to get more information, more updates, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So thanks a lot. Have a good day and see you in next video. Thank you.